Hello and welcome once again in the online classes of palmistry. This is the second video in continuity with the love marriage indications in your hand, and today we are also talking about the separation and divorce. There are so many signs in palmistry denotes love marriage, happy married life and unmarried married life, and separation, divorce and breakups. There are the few signs in palmistry denotes of sexual harassments, external affairs and forced marriages and arranged marriages. The things today we cover is love marriage and breakup are the informationals for the beginners and palmists. If you want to tackle in a detailed manner, you have to give your palm to the experts. So let's start the study with the sample hand. Mind you, this hand is taken from the Google, so you can Google it, and for the demonstration purpose, I take this hand. The first sign we have to take, firstly I marked it. Mind you, my drawing is not very good, so please forgive me that. If you find this kind of sign and this kind of line in your heart, if marriage line combines with heart line, then there are chances that person will have a love marriage, but always danger to be partner with breakup. If you find this line in your hand, yes, you have a very good chance to be a love marriage, but always your relationship is always in a danger because of some egoness and some possessiveness by you or maybe your partner. Moving around for the next indication, if you find some parallel line over there, if there are parallel line above the marriage line which combines with the heart line, then it clears indications of breakup of the first affair of love marriage. Means in every person's more than one girl or one boy is there. If you find this parallel line in your hand, that denotes that there is some breakup with your first person. Now moving around for the next line, this is your fate line. If your fate line is good and influence line from the mount of moon, influence line, this is I don't call the influence lines. If your fate line is good and the influence lines from the mount of moon comes and join the fate line, it indicates a love marriage. This is a very good sign if you find your fate line is a very crystal clear and some kind of influence lines is joining that particular lines. This also indicates that you have a love marriage. But some lines are cutting this fate line like this or like this. This is not a very good sign. This is possible a love marriage can be ended as a breakup. Okay, now moving on to another indication, and this firstly I have to remove this. Okay, moving forward, if you find any fork kind of sign in your hand like this, if you find any fork sign in your marriage line, it indicates the chances of breakup. If the fork is not big, then it means a breakup for some period of time. Reason being a difference of opinions. That means if this mark is not very dark and it's very faded, that means a breakup is there, but after some time you will meet that person again. But if this particular mark is very dark and very clear, that it will be a sure shot that you will be end up with a breakup. And this sign is also coming on the reverse sides also. Let me mark it. if this type of sign is there. If the folk at the beginning of the marriage line, there would be a lot of problem in getting married or remaining unmarried, or the first phase of married life is problematic. Means if you find this kind of indications in your palm, that means you get late marriage. And if you do the early marriage, then you will find some problems from your sasural paksh or mother-in-law sides. But on in all, it is a very average kind of marriage. There is no indications of love marriage. This is an indication of late marriage. Hope you find some information about palmistry, and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to contact me on for the personalized palmistry, you can do it from by mailing me bhatnagarabhi2411@gmail.com, or also send me WhatsApp messages. My number is 9411848508. Thank you for watching. Be subscribe, be share with your friends. Thank you.